This was it, but you called the supervisor, so I'm just waiting on
Because you're illegally detaining me on the side of the road, sir.
I'm just doing a welcome check. I never said you're being detained or anything.
Sir, I'm not detained. There's lights on behind me. You pulled me over to the side of the road. How am I supposed to...
Oh, okay. Yeah, basically the same thing like I was telling the young lady. I'm just coming in and try to see, like, has it concluded, that investigation about the guy with Applebee's? The guy
Applebee's thing, yes.
Yeah, oh, it has concluded. Last time I was here, I spoke to the chief of police and a sergeant. I filled out the FOIA. Oh, you remember me? Yeah, I filled out the FOIA. No one actually...
We are diving into raw, explosive footage brought to you by the fearless auditors on the ground. Make sure to hit that description link right now, subscribe to the original channels, and drop a comment letting them know that ID Refusal 11 sent you. Show them we love civil rights and back those who film accountability. Will these citizens crack under the pressure, or will they hold the line and refuse the ID? You are definitely going to learn a lot today, and you will have a strong opinion on this. Sit tight, let's break it down.
Hey, how's it going, man? I'm Officer Alfonso with the Pleasant Police Department.
What'd you pull me over for?
For a well-being check. That's all it is. I saw that once I got behind you, you keep turning off, and then...
A well-being check, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure you're okay. You keep pulling off the road and coming back on the road and stuff, so I'm trying to see if you're having a medical emergency or anything like that, that's all.
You're pulling me over. You're stopping me from what I'm doing. Because you're concerned? Because...
Yes.
Did I commit a crime?
I said I'm just doing a well-being check on you.
Did I commit a traffic infraction?
No, I'm just doing a well-being check.
Is this what is your name?
Officer Alfonso with the Pleasant Police Department.
Who's the other officer?
What is it?
Who's the other officer?
Officer Amen. He's right over there. Just doing a well-being check on you, man. You keep
Yeah. I'm Do you have a supervisor on duty?
I can get a supervisor.
I'd like a supervisor over here.
Give me a minute. Can you come to my traffic stop? Just requesting a supervisor. Yeah, it is. Alright, I have a supervisor coming in.
Is this something that you guys typically engage in?
What is it?
Is this something that you guys typically engage in?
We conduct well-being checks all the time whenever a car, you know, if we see that a car is doing some type of maneuvers or anything like that.
What maneuver was it that you...
I just said that you kept pulling off and on onto the road and all.
How many times did I pull off the road?
It was a total of 2 times that you did that, so I was trying to check.
Is this the second time, the traffic stop?
No, the second time was when you pulled off into the Stetson field.
When was the first time?
The first time, it was by the potato patch, if you know where that is. That's right down there by the Dixie Lodge. I don't know if you're from the area.
Really? Is that on video?
It is, actually. My dash cam records up to a minute before anything happens.
Anything happens? So when did you start recording?
It's a minute before the
lights turned on. So I was in that Stetson lot for more than a minute.
But it's not happening. I'm present. I was just doing a well-being check. The supervisor's coming. Okay, he's gonna.
Well, I mean, you're the one that pulled me over. You've got me.
Well, you requested a supervisor.
Yeah, because you've got me over here on the side of the road.
Yeah, for a well-being check. That's what it was. Yeah,
so how long do you need to conduct your well-being check?
This was it, but you called the supervisor, so I'm just waiting on
Because you're illegally detaining me on the side of the road, sir.
I'm just doing a welcome check. I never said you're being detained or anything.
Sir, I'm not detained. There's lights on behind me. You pulled me over to the side of the road. How am I supposed to believe that I'm not being detained?
The physical reality of a modern police encounter shatters the officer's vocal claim that the citizen is not actually detained. The driver effectively utilizes the objective legal test established in Florida versus Royer to expose the systemic gaslighting occurring at the vehicle window.
Like I said, my supervisor's on his way. We'll go ahead and talk to my supervisor. You would have been free to go now because I see that you're doing perfectly fine, but you called for my supervisor. That's why.
I'm concerned that you're pulling people over for not doing a goddamn thing wrong.
Okay. Well, my supervisor...
I'm concerned that you're detaining people on the side of the road for no good goddamn reason.
Well, we're just doing a well-being check on you.
I'm not real concerned about your well-being checking me. You're pulling citizens over on the side of the road for their well-being? Is that what I'm to understand?
We can do that.
You can do that, huh? What kind of medical issue would somebody have pulling over on the side of the road?
Like I said, you pulled over more than once. I was trying to make sure you were okay.
I don't like to be followed by police.
Okay. It's a public roadway. I'm allowed to follow you if I wanted to.
Yep. And I guess you're allowed to illegally detain me too, huh?
I never said you were detained. I said,
sir, I'm not detained. I'm not detained. What do those lights mean?
You can leave right
Okay. When an officer pulls behind you, you rude motherfucker. You see what's going on here? I'm in DeLand. I got pulled over for a well-being check. They want to check my well-being. I got a supervisor coming here. Yeah, no, you're good, man. All right, let me get back to this. They got a supervisor coming up here. Yeah, I'm good. All right, man, be safe.
How's it going, man?
How do you think it's going? Is it Sergeant still, Sergeant Salmon?
It is.
Why are your officers pulling people over for no crime?
Okay, so he was conducting a well-being check on you. You were
man.
Some concerning
behaviors,
yeah,
like pulling to the side of the road safely in a safe manner.
Okay. He said you
not
did so several
not
times.
violating any traffic and
Okay.
You have me detained on the side of the road, and you don't want to listen to me. Sorry about that, everybody. Yeah, I just got pulled over. Did you hear what he said? It was a well-being check. He pulled me over for my own well-being. Unfucking believable. And then I wouldn't stop talking. And since I wouldn't stop talking, that enraged the sergeant, and he could no longer listen to the person complaining. These fucking assholes. Alright, we're gonna go to the PD. How about that? You guys wanna go to the police department? We're gonna go to the police department, and we're gonna...
If you thought a fake highway well-being check was an absolute abuse of authority, just wait until you see what happens inside the station. We are moving from the open road straight into the belly of the beast, where public records requests turn into a chaotic showdown with a hostile Karen and defensive gatekeepers. Drop a 11 in the comments right now if you are sick of cops making up the rules as they go. Your voice exposes their patterns and protects our community's shared freedom.
Hello. Yes, is there sergeant or lieutenant or someone I can speak with? Deputy chief or anything?
Okay. In regards to what, do you have
I've met with a couple of them a few months ago, maybe twice, so they're pretty familiar with me. I'm just coming in and try to get an update on a FOIA request process and stuff like that, public information. So.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is James.
James?
And your name?
Madeline.
Madeline.
Just a moment.
All right. So we should go back there and get someone. We should be good to go. Y'all stay tuned, TTA family.
Right out for you, okay?
Okay. Did they say who was coming?
Not yet, no.
Just that randomly somebody's gonna come out?
Someone will come out, yeah.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right. So they said they're gonna send someone out. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same sergeant or I don't know, the lieutenant we spoke with first time, but we definitely see.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, how you doing today, Lieutenant?
I got mine too, sir.
Okay, for sure. It's all good.
What can I do for you?
I met with you a couple of months ago.
We talked before.
And what's your name again?
Joe.
Lieutenant Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Basically the same thing like I was telling that young lady. I'm just coming in and try to see, has it concluded, that investigation about the guy with Applebee's? The guy
Applebee's thing, yes.
Yeah. Oh, it has concluded.
Yep, so if you go to the Kenosha Police Department's YouTube page,
Okay.
you'll find a video from Chief Patton.
Chief Patton, okay.
Yeah, of course. Chief Patton, and it explains our version of events.
Okay.
The facts that were found from the investigation.
Oh,
so
okay.
He breaks it down pretty step by step.
Okay.
How it went.
The actual chief?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
How long has it been since it's concluded?
A couple weeks, I think. It got.
Oh, okay, so I'm kind of like perfect time then.
Yeah.
You know, to be perfectly
It has
honest.
been out for a couple weeks. It's been reported on the news
Okay.
already. The news did.
And he's just giving his events of what actually occurred.
Yep. So
Okay.
it was a case-by-case step-by-step breakdown of the investigation.
Okay.
It was both internally here, and then I think I told you like the last time to, just for a check and balance on our investigation, we sent it out to another external police agency.
Okay.
And said, hey, can you please take a look at this? Let us know what you find.
Right.
They came back with their report also.
Okay.
And those facts were then.
What were the actual findings?
It's much easier if you just watch the video.
Really? Okay. Well, and then I'll just file a FOIA for it. And
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, have you guys got some FOIA forms available?
All you have to do is email address to pio@kenoshapolice.com.
Okay. Yeah. You know what? I'd rather do it in person, though, Lieutenant. I always do.
You got it on person or on video?
Yeah.
You can't send an email?
No. I understand that that's a way you can do it, but I like to do it in person.
So if you go over here,
to the information?
right into the information counter, they actually have the forms.
The actual forms.
where you
Okay.
can fill it out.
And then do I drop it off here or there?
Nope, you leave it right there.
Leave it right
It'll
there.
make its way back to the public information officer. They'll get the request form, and then they'll have to have a way to contact you, though.
Yeah.
We talked about that last
Yeah,
time.
for sure. I'll leave them like an email or something.
Email address, P.O. box. You don't have to leave your name, nothing
sure.
like that. But
For
they
sure.
have to have some place where they can send the
Of course. Okay, well then that'll be good to go. And Lieutenant, appreciate you for having a dialogue with me, man. Thanks
Good
a lot.
to see you.
All right, you
Okay,
too.
take care.
Yep, you too. So, to my surprise, TTA family, the investigation has concluded. That was the lieutenant that we spoke with in the first video. So, fairly quick. Kind of like perfect timing, something told me to come up here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here, like he just said, to the information office, obviously. I'm going to fill out a FOIA for the findings of that investigation. And plus, we're going to fill out for the body cam footage of the actual officers that was involved in that senseless beating on that young man at Applebee's a few months ago. So let's go in here and see. Hello, ma'am. What I need to do today is I need to some couple of FOIA request forms from you guys. Fill a few of those out.
Do you want, this has up to 6 on one? Do you need more than that?
So it'll be 6, you mean like on a...
Like 6 different case numbers you could...
Oh, okay. So it's actually going to be one case, but I'm going to request multiple things like body cam footage.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a form over there for body cam and things like that. That comes from the evidence department. All we keep in this office are the paper copies.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying I'm going to fill out a FOIA request to obtain those records from you, and then I'll turn it into you guys. The Lieutenant Joe just told me to come over here and do it.
Okay, but Lieutenant Joe doesn't realize that there's a separate request for evidence.
Really?
So it's
right here?
One up, I believe.
It says Kenosha Joint Services Communications Audio Request Form.
Yeah, so that would be 911 calls or evidence or, things of that nature. All we have in this office are the paper copies.
Paper copies. Okay, so you know what? Maybe you guys have the copies in terms of the findings to the investigation against the Applebee's incident. So would I fill out that request form for that as well?
That would be on here.
Okay, good. So I would need that sheet too. Yeah, that case is closed. I know. I'm just wanted to get the findings on it.
Do you have the case number for that?
No, I don't have
I'll
it.
look it up.
Okay.
This is the case number. You can also fill out that with this case number. Any and all information from evidence ID
Right.
or dispatch. Also, the results in the investigation, the internal and external investigation of officers.
Put it all on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would put it all somewhere.
Right. There you go. Right. Okay. For sure. Fill it out and I'll turn it right back into you. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Hi. I talked to the sheriff
Family, so
outside.
fill this out right quick and be right back.
Okay, so these are the original copies I'm going to keep.
Okay.
And these are the fronts and the backs of what you requested.
All right.
And we'll stamp it with our Kenosha Joint Services stamp.
For sure.
We got it. And how about I date it for you?
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna get down to the bottom of it, man, and see what everybody has to say. You know, the lieutenant said that they did an external investigation outside of the park. I bet you still somebody that's
Stamp
connected.
dated it?
Okay.
Okay, so we do say 7 to 10 days for all our requests. They are done on a first come, first served basis.
Okay.
So you'll be notified by email.
Yeah, I scratched out the refuse and I put down a number.
Okay.
Just in case, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
All right, appreciate it. Thanks a lot. You too. So yeah, like I was saying, TTA family, they said they did an external investigation. The lieutenant said that they sent it out to an outside agency, which is, I kind of feel like, maybe you did, obviously they did, but it's probably going to be somebody that's going to be connected to the Kenosha Police Department. We don't really want to, it's all premature right now, so I'm not going to really speculate or give out any conjecture onto the findings yet. Definitely want to see what the findings all entail, and we'll go from there. But we definitely finna hike over to the Pleasant Prairie Police Department and see what, basically what's the delay. Haven't contacted me or anything, so let's go see. Yeah, TTA family. So like I said, man, we over here at the Pleasant Prairie Police Department now. So, basically, like I said, we went in here right after we left the last time and tried to get the Bodycam footage of all the officers involved, because this department got dispatched over there too. And they never called us back. And again, like I said, the original video will be in the description if you guys want to recap it in its entirety. So we're gonna go in here and see, like I said, basically what's the delay. So let's go see. All right, how you doing today, sir? Last time I was here, I spoke to a chief of police and a sergeant. I filled out the FOIA. Oh, you remember me? Yeah, I filled out the FOIA. No one actually contacted me back with the materials that I requested.
For the Applebee discs.
Yeah.
I've actually got them ready to go. I've been in and out the better part of the last 2 weeks, but we're ready to let those go. If you got them in, I can get them on a disc for you.
Yeah, for sure. I'll hang out for a moment.
Yeah, it won't take long.
All right, thanks a lot.
Take care.
All right. So I remember that. You guys remember this lady right here? She was kind of rude to us TTA family, but she seems pretty much together today. But that young man said he's going to go get us. I guess a disc of all the officers that was on scene that day. So we better check all that out and be good to go. So y'all stay tuned. For transparency and accountability purposes, just
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, they're always filming us, so why not film them back?
I'm on camera all day.
That's exactly right.
All right. James, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here is the video. Case number's right on the front of it. You have any problems looking at it, just give me a call or stop it.
Okay.
So you should be all good to go. There's a minor redaction. There's a child in there. We had to redact and blur.
For sure.
So you'll see that. So.
Okay, so and then how many in its entirety, how many body cams would you say?
The 2 body cameras from the officers who were inside.
Oh, okay, none on the scene though.
We had some others on the scene, but they weren't inside at all.
Okay, dokie. And is it even, it's two different body cam shots, so is it continuous, or would I know where the second one comes in after the first one?
They're two separate videos.
Two separate videos,
Right,
okay.
Right, so you'll be able to watch each one separately.
Separately, okay.
Yeah.
All right, and what's your name again?
My name's Rick.
Rick, appreciate it, Rick.
Yeah, not a problem. Just give me a call if anything comes up with those, okay?
All righty, thanks a lot.
All right, take care.
Yep. So from the top, TTA family, from the top, came out here today to go talk to Kenosha Police Department first about the investigation of the young man being beat up at Applebee's a few months back. Like I said, the first time we went in, they were saying it was open, so that's why the FOIA wouldn't go through or anything like that. So talked to Lieutenant Joe today. He said, yeah, it was already good to go. So we filed a FOIA for that. So we're going to wait on those requested materials. And I think we should be good to go. When we came here to Pleasant Prairie, because this was another police department that was on scene the day of the incident, I had put in for a request. It's been a couple of months. No one got back, but hey, they gave it to us today. Rick in there said that it's two different shots of the police that was actually inside of Applebee. So we're going to wait for us to, definitely going to go review this, and we're going to wait for the other footage to come from Kenosha, and we can put all that together, investigate this thing in its entirety, and we should be good to go. That young lady right there, though, I was in there, she was asking, she was like, man, I asked, why are you filming? I told her, just for transparency purposes, accountability, police and stuff. She was like, okay. So I'm not sure. It's been quite a while since she's been gone. She's kind of hanging around. She's starting to say something. Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah, she said something. Not sure. She came in, I guess, real quick, TTA family, they have a K9 unit in there, and the dog name is Chase. So she came in and bought some stuffed animals that they got in there named Chase. So obviously she's a police supporter. So I'm not really sure. She's walking up to us now, TTA family. See what she got to say. Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I was cold. You're standing there. Now you're filming me going to my car?
Well, I'm not filming you. First of all, calm down.
No. We're not going to play that. No.
Yeah, calm down, first and foremost. And I wasn't filming you. I was out here documenting. And plus, if I was filming you, there's nothing illegal about that, man.
A hostile bystander aggressively demands the auditor stop recording inside a municipal facility lobby, generating an immediate legal battleground over public spaces. This interaction puts the intersection of state open records directives and individual observation mechanisms directly on display. Under long-standing federal jurisprudence derived from the First Amendment, individuals possess an absolute right to gather information and film inside open, unrestricted portions of government buildings.
Yeah, this lady just walking out talking about I'm filming her. What the fuck? We wasn't even focused on her. So we're going to go in here and see what type of lie she's going to tell the cops, man. Y'all stay tuned, GTA fam. Yeah, see, I know she was going to come in here and lie. So I'm following. Absolutely not. You're several.
This is getting creepy. I'm all for you standing in here, but
Obviously not. Obviously not. That's why you asked me from the beginning. What was I doing here? You're a cop supporter.
Until you follow me,
You're a cop supporter, I understand that, but you're not going to dictate where I record.
Huh? Well, yeah, I bought some chase dolls, but when I left, he started following me and filming me.
Absolutely not. Got it all on film. She's lying, so.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Wow.
You should find something better to do than follow people around.
I'm not following you. I was in here. Think about it.
I thought I followed him.
No, absolutely not. You had been gone for 10 minutes or so, talking to this guy, You just getting in your truck. You was on your phone.
And you're standing there holding your phone filming me. Why?
I'm not filming you at
don't
all.
know me.
My lens is pointed towards you. She's going to educate you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, they're gonna educate you, man.
You seem to need an education on the law, man.
So what's the law?
You can have a camera, you can film stuff, but you can't follow people, you can't harass.
Follow? What made you think I was following? Because I was outside while you were?
Because you're standing there watching me go to my truck, filming me.
Absolutely
filming me
not.
getting in the truck. Why?
What I was
you
doing.
You don't even know me, man.
What I was doing was narrating to my audience. My camera was.
Your audience.
That's
Your
correct.
audience wants to watch me, someone they don't know, go to her truck.
Well, obviously you're not interested in understanding what I was doing. You just want to be unhinged today, huh?
You're one of those that pushes people with words so you can get some video and get some people to follow you.
Well, think about it. You was trying to push me with words. You walked right up to me and said, "What the fuck? That was unnecessary, man."
You might get more positive attention. Just go and find something else to do.
I was minding my own business until you interjected yourself.
I did myself. You shouldn't have filmed me.
Oh,
You
wow.
should have left me the hell alone.
Okay. Well, the cop is going to come educate you that you have no expectation to privacy in public. Officer, could you educate this young lady and let her know that there's no expectation to privacy in public? That'd be great.
Well, what are you recording for?
You've been seeing me this whole entire time, and now it's a problem. It's a problem because she's bringing it up as
I
one.
don't even know who you are.
So why are you asking me as an officer why am I recording? You know I have a right to.
I'm just asking you why you're recording.
Does it matter?
I have a right to ask why you're recording.
I'm asking what's the point?
The arriving field officer immediately sidesteps the bystander's false reports and pivots to question the underlying purpose of the camera itself. This investigative maneuver seeks to create a soft psychological trap to compel the auditor to justify a fundamental right.
What purpose did it serve? Exactly. And we're going to get the body cam footages from these officers now too, so. It's crazy, man. This dude been seeing me the whole entire time. He want to come out and say, why are you recording? What do it matter? See, that's what I'm saying, man. This lady here, she off the chain, man. Just out of nowhere. I'm outside narrating to the TTA family members, you guys, and she walking up talking about I'm following her. Lady, I ain't following you. I ain't studying you. Paying attention to you. You've been gone for, think about it. She was just up here buying these dogs right here. I guess this is the dog named Chase. They have stuffed animals for sale for Chase. She came in here, she bought one. She's been gone for 15 minutes. I'm here talking to Rick about the FOIA request. She's still out there. And when I walked out there, she was on her phone. So to me, it seemed like she was up to no good from the beginning. Why are you still hanging around in the parking lot for 15 minutes? That makes no sense. So, and then this cop, man. No what? Really? Man, obviously you don't. You've been gone for 15 minutes. What are you still here for? This lady right here, man.
I can't say much right now because Mr. Right on the job is
What'd you say? Oh, obviously so. You mentioned it, and I'm not doing it to bother you. Obviously, you're walking away, so it bothers something. It's crazy, man. This lady been gone for 15 minutes. Look, they letting her inside the police department. Nobody even, if you're not an officer, you're not even supposed to go past the door. Wow. Look, watch this. They're gonna put up paperwork now. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, they got a right to create privacy. That's cool, but I'm just saying the cop had seen me this entire time, and now it's a problem. They let her inside then. I can't believe this. She's inside the actual police department where it's not even accessible to the public. Look, and the blonde lady right there, that was the first person we had a problem with. That's all right, we finna put in another request to get all them body cam footages right now. This is beautiful. This is crazy. Yep, from the short officer right here to the left, and that officer in the hat. We want the body cam footages now from this scene. This lady just came out of nowhere like, you're filming me? What the fuck? Could not believe that, man. I wouldn't even fit. That's what I'm saying. You think you know what you're talking about, and you don't. Yeah, now they're probably gonna walk her out the back. Walk this lady out the back. Officer, what's your name and badge number, man?
Badge 702, or sorry, 214.
It's crazy, man. What's your name and badge number, officer? Sergeant?
Sergeant Flayeye 187. Spoke with you earlier.
Oh, that was you that I spoke to earlier? So that wasn't just you I was just talking to, and it was you, wasn't it? Yeah, okay. I just don't understand, officer. Yeah, did you guys tell her I can record her too?
Well, you can, but it's a little weird. Not gonna lie.
It's a little weird.
You can record us all you want.
How's it weird, officer? What's weird about it?
When you're filming in there, go ahead. But when you're following somebody, and
So
it's awkward.
let me ask you something.
It just doesn't know anything.
Okay, let me ask you something real quick.
What I'm trying to say is it was awkward.
Okay, so can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Did she show you any footage of me following her?
No.
So you just took her word for it?
But what's the problem here?
I'm asking a
Everybody's
question.
going their separate ways. Go
That's
ahead and
correct.
record us, but-
She has me. So now you see she was just doing something to my car, right? Now I'm finna go get her license plate. Now I'm gonna go get her license plate. Now I'm gonna go get her license plate. So obviously the police told her that my car was over here. Well, obviously the police told her my car was right here. And she did something. I couldn't catch it. That's okay. Yeah, oh, okay, we got a cam back. She's taking a picture. But the only way she can know that this is my car, like y'all just heard the sergeant say, he talked to me earlier. So obviously they told her what kind of car I'm in so she could come take a picture of my license plate, which I don't care. And she shouldn't either. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So we're just gonna stand right here and see. Look at this lady, man. Are you serious? And we gonna go ahead and file these FOIAs for the officer's body cam footage, man. We're gonna see exactly what they were just telling her in that cubicle. Definitely gonna go see. So y'all stay tuned, TTA family. This lady, she just started trying to, when I went getting ready to go in, she looked like she was finna put her car in drive and ram the back of my car. You're creepy.
I left you alone.
No, you didn't. You left that. Absolutely not. You was out here for 15 minutes. You witnessed it.
Well, it's on camera.
Yeah, she was just reckless.
Whatever she's saying, whatever you're saying, everything you guys are doing is on camera.
Right, that's exactly right. So what I'm saying is you just see how reckless she was just out of the parking lot.
Well, it's entirely your opinion on how you feel of it being reckless.
Well, I'm asking you your professional opinion as a police officer.
Well, I think you filming her is unnecessary, and I think her driving that manner is unnecessary.
Okay, but which one is closer to illegal?
Closer to illegal?
Yeah.
I would say her driving in that manner.
Okay, so yeah, I mean,
it's entirely up to you on what you want done. I'm just here to appease the public.
Right. Well, I mean, it's cool. I mean, we ain't, and I mean, like you guys, if I file a complaint, ain't like you're gonna write her a ticket because you'd have jumped in your vehicle and went and chased her down the road or one.
Well,
so.
I mean, I have the license. I can get the license plate, so there's no reason for me getting a pursuit over this.
Right. But I mean, so if you do get the license plate, you'll write her a ticket for that manner, driving in that manner.
If that's what you want done and you want to make a complaint, it's balls in your court.
Okay. Well, yeah, for sure. We might as well.
You just want to make a written complaint.
Yeah.
If that's the case, just go along.
And then I actually got to go those two officers that brought her in that room. I got to file a FOIA for that body cam footage, just to see what was said in the room. So I'm gonna do that as well. Okay. Yeah. All right. So she sped out of the parking lot, man, and she's being all unhinged and off the chain and very hostile. Like I said, I was standing way over there, TTA family, way over there. And I come out at the end of my videos and narrate to you guys, not necessarily following her, just standing here. But she, for some reason, that I was following her and recording her. So she walked back on me, what the fuck is going on? Or something she said, real hostile. And she went in there. She probably thought that the police was gonna make me leave or something. So she probably received an education as well that I can do it. And then she went out to the parking lot and tried to do something to my car. I couldn't really catch it. It's crazy, man. It's acting like she was finna ram it in the back of everything. And then she sped out real fast. So yeah, why not file a complaint on her driving that reckless like that? She was bothering me. She went and got them on me. So let's get them on her. People might say it's petty, but hey, it is what it is. Let's go see. Yeah, Rick, so I need another FOIA request, and I need the names of the two officers that brought the young lady in because they had their body cams on. So I definitely want to file for an additional body cam footage. I'm not sure who it was.
Yeah, let me walk into dispatch and see if they pulled a... What's that? Oh, someone's coming to talk to you? Okay, yeah, we got somebody coming to talk to you, but let me go... Did you guys pull a number? Okay. Officer Matz will be coming back in for you shortly.
Okay.
I'm just going to check and see if I can get a number for you.
All right, appreciate it. So yeah, we're going to wait and see, man. That was just crazy, man. Super. Wow.
Officer Matz will be with you shortly. He's getting you a case number right now. He'll give it to you on a case card.
A case? A case number for what?
Oh, just the contact that we have, so you can reference that with your video that you're going to want.
So was anything filed?
Oh, I wasn't part of that, so I have no idea.
Oh, okay. So Officer Matz, is that one of the officers that brought her in?
I believe so. Yeah, okay. He'll be coming back by you shortly.
Okay, we'll see then. Okay, for sure. All right. Case number. I need a case number for her. Y'all stay tuned, TTA family. We'll see. So the young man right there said something about we'll be able to reference the case number. What kind of case is it?
It's a reckless driving case.
Okay.
Case number is 18385. That's the case number I'll be writing this under, the incident that happened.
Okay.
I just need all your information, your statement of what happened out there, and then I'll go issue her a ticket for reckless driving because we saw it happen.
Right on camera.
Right. It's all on camera. So I'll collect the video, put it in the case file.
Okay.
And then when she goes to court, she really doesn't have an argument.
Right, because
she swerved at you. So.
Right. And you guys did see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The sergeant saw it.
The sergeant, right?
On camera out there, so the camera faces right there.
Okay, and then how you pronounce your name? Matz? Is it Matz?
Yep.
Okay, what was the other officer name that was with you, the young lady?
That was Officer Diaz.
Right, because I'm going to request you guys this body cam footage for you. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me just fill this out real quick. GTA family, we'll be right back with y'all. Stay tuned. Yeah, Tyrant.
Tyrant.
Yeah, the Tyrant Terminator, man. You'll definitely see you guys on there, man. I'm just file. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Yeah, I'm just gonna file it right quick, and then I'll be hiking on out. All right, appreciate it. Yep, you too. So yeah. So Matt's, he's in turn. I guess talking to him in there, y'all didn't really get a chance to. Just need another FOIA request form.
We don't have a form, but you can just write what you like.
Okay.
How about when Rick's off the phone, I'll have him come talk to you.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be okay. All right. So Officer Matz, man. So that was the first officer. He was asking me, like you guys seen him earlier. He was asking me, like, man, what you doing it for? But, you know, talking to him in the room right there, y'all couldn't really see because I had to stop the video so I could fill out the complaint. But talking to him in the room, he didn't seem too bad. You know, he was saying, like, you know, by her revving her car up, revving her truck up towards us like that and back and forth towards my car. They got it all on camera. You know what I mean? They said that's basically like reckless driving. All they would need from me is to file a complaint so they can go issue her a ticket. The sergeant said he didn't want to just jump into his car and start chasing her for, you know, some type of pursuit. But I can guarantee you, if we did anything, you know what I mean, in terms of, you know what I'm saying, people that, you know, our First Amendment auditors or any type of First Amendment auditor in the family, anybody that supports this type of movement do anything, they definitely would have pursued it. But it's cool. You know, I guess they want to go after her that way. It is what it is because, like I said, man, that was crazy, man. She started, you know, bagging up, acting like she was finna ram the back of my car. She even kind of like came towards me and straightened it back. It's crazy, man. Like, so it is what it is. But like I say, in that room, he was talking like, you know, she was irritating them, but there's no telling what he was saying when they had her right there in the glass, though. Right there in that middle part, we don't know what was said. That's why we want the body cam footage to see precisely, you know, how forthcoming and honest he just was when me and him was in the room together alone. So we'll see, man. I guess we're waiting for Rick to get off the phone back there. And we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Yep, and then like I say, yeah, it's just basically Officer Matt's body cam and the other short young lady. He just told me her name, but so
probably Diaz.
Probably so, yeah. I think he did say Diaz.
Yeah, I think that's who that was. Okay, yeah. Let me. I'll get this taken care of, and then we'll just touch base next week then.
All right, appreciate it, Rick. Thanks a lot. All right, you take care. Yeah, Rick's been professional every time we encounter.
Two different cities, the exact same story. When you look behind the badge, the ultimate weapon of the state is your ignorance of the law. From fake highway welfare checks to illegal intimidation inside police lobbies, the blue wall only holds if you choose to compromise your constitutional sovereignty. If you are thoroughly disgusted by how these officers handled themselves today, drop an 11 in the comments right now. Every single number exposes their patterns, creates a permanent record of misconduct, and alerts our global community to ongoing systematic overreach. If you have ever faced an unlawful demand for your identification, share your personal battle story in the comments section below. Subscribe immediately to ensure you are never caught off guard or blackmailed by authority again. This is ID Refusal 11, where the absolute defense of your civil liberties is not an option. It is our duty. In this country, freedom does not ask for permission. It demands to be exercised. Stand firm, stay peaceful, and never fold.